After my class 12 examination was over, I never wanted to do a normal graduation. Was searching for something else, got a knack for cooking, so was looking for a college. First interview in IIM, got through, so never gave anything else a thought. Entered IIM, and rest is a journey. It is not only money, it is everything. It's a total experience with IIM. I know what I was before I entered into this college, and whatever I am today is because of this college. Whatever I am earning today a little bit is because of this college, and my gratitude towards the college will always remain. I am proud of my college. I am proud to be IIMite, and always will portray to everywhere that I go that I belong to IIM, a brand in itself. Teachers are the heart of IIM. We are all made because of the teachers. I still cannot forget Maitri ma'am. I can never forget Mr. Ghosh. I can never forget Mr. Sarkar. They are milestones in terms of IIM. They have taught us, not only taught us, they have behaved with us like parents. They have scolded us. They have loved us. So, cannot forget. Very emotional moment. She is the pillar. Because without Ma'am Chaudhary, it is impossible for IIM to come all this way. Mr. Bose has founded this organization, but without her guidance, without her way of looking into the students, it is impossible for IIM to come all these 25 years. It's a long, long journey. And we expect another 50, 80, 100 more years to go. So, being IIMite, I am always positive and always ready for the college anytime the college requires me. My name is Sandeepan Ghoshal, batch 2006.
Hello, hi, my name is Rajdeep Bhattacharya. I passed out from 2000 batch, and after I passed out, I work in ITC Sheraton Group of Hotels. Then I was fortunate enough to get a chance in Holiday in London, and I worked there for 8 years in different parts of Europe, and then I came back here. Presently, I'm working in Bikers Restaurant. It's an American chain restaurant as an executive chef. And my memory of IIM is definitely very good. And definitely all the faculties and everything, I would be very much obliged for them to give me so much knowledge and so much things. And for the newcomers, I will just tell one thing. Work hard, things will come in your life. Don't get impatient. To be honest, because IIM has got potential and capability, and at that time it was upcoming college, and it was really a very nice experience joining in IIM, especially with different faculties and different people, and Madam Chaudhary, Mr. Bose, and different other faculties who helped me in doing my job and achieving my objective. Thanks.
I graduated in 2005. I think 3 years I spent in IIM were the most wonderful years of my life, because I think it laid the foundation of what I am today, and it helped me become the person I am today. So I came as a shy, timid girl and walked out as this experienced and confident person who was ready to rock the world. So I think that's what IIM did. I think they all need to dream big and have the confidence that they will do it. Only when they believe they can, they will do it.
Hi, I am Shakho Bhattacharya from Kolkata itself. I graduated from this college in the year 2007, and then onwards it has given me a lot of confidence and boost in whatever I am and whatever I do today. This college has immensely provided me a lot of emphasis on my career, how I should move on with it and what should I do next. For every level I move up in life, this college has provided me the kind of morale boost and confidence through which I do whatever today. So that's all about me. And as far as my faculties are concerned, Maitri ma'am, Reena ma'am, Piali ma'am, Kushal sir, everybody has played a pivot role in my life during these 3 years. And that's all about it. I won't take much time, but what I would say about new joinees of this college would be, if you stick to your basics and if you listen to your faculties and do what is right for you, if you believe in yourself, if you have the confidence in yourself, then I'm sure that you would do a lot good for yourself in this college.